Ooh, we are out here in Palm Springs at the, gonna go to the Starbucks Reserve. My dad hurt his elbow. Alright, let's go. So here is the Starbucks Reserve in Palm Springs, which is just, I guess, a big Starbucks. I'm not too, into coffee or anything, so my knowledge of coffee and reserves are it's tiny. But brother, his girlfriend, and mama are in there going to get coffee, and over here, Dad and I are just chilling, waiting for them. Scott's joined us out here in the waiting game. Yeah. Nice. Got the three of us. Chill. Chill. We're just gonna walk this way, look at some things, and then
Look at Marilyn Monroe skirt.
yeah. Wait, there's a Marilyn Monroe skirt thing over here?
A statue.
Oh, a statue. Okay. Palm Springs. Walk out loud.
That's pretty neat, huh?
That's cool. Statue's pretty cool. And go straight through. Look at mama.
Stay normal. Higher. That's because you're too short. That's why. You're fine. That's fine.
You can pose however you want.
No, that looks like you're being crucified.
Wow, I found a perfect statue picture right there.
See the window? My dad found the perfect statue. Wow. Yo, dude, the dude in the back has Mickey ears on. Look at that.
Oh. Dad, it's a big baby.
Dude, his face is punched in. That reminds me of
That's
in,
weird art.
in Hercules when he punches his Hades' face in.
Yeah.
The main reason why we're walking down here is for this giant Marilyn Monroe statue. I almost said tree.
The art museum's over there too, Cody.
Because she's as tall as the tree. Oh, all this down here is the art?
Yeah, down there.
Oh. That's creepy. Army of babies.
It's kind of creepy.
Yeah. Don't drop that camera, Cody.
I know.
We're never gonna get it
Oh,
back.
it's the babies. Let me take a picture of that.
Alright, before we get over there, what color do you think her panties are?
I think they're just gonna have white.
What's your guess?
My guess it's gonna be beige. Cream color.
Hey, that's
Cream
kinda
color.
Alright, what color do you think her underwear is going to be, Dad?
white.
Okay, let's find out. That's so cool. Alright. Our turn. Dude, she is tall. And the verdict is it's white. The underwear is white. It's white.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got that $100 question.
Yep, you're correct.
Ooh. So there's Marilyn Monroe's statue. The statue. All right. Let's kind of get behind it. Oh. Her underwear is out for show. Out for show. Yo, her booty's out for show, Mom.
Mom took a picture. You think it's a good one, Dad?
It's booty.
Grab her butt cheek.
Like grab her butt cheek.
He's too short.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta get closer. Get closer and angle closer.
Oh, yeah, like that. Hey, put your hand. Don't do like this. Still.
Dad's got a good shot.
26 foot tall, 24,000 pounds.
Some information about the statue. That's funny. Guys, it's all part of the fun. I don't know if you can see, but there's a red line that goes all the way through, and that's actually a fault line. And the installation is called "It's My Fault, Not Your Fault," something like that. I don't know how you weld together butt cheeks like that, man. Our stuff's pretty cool out here. Cool stuff about Palm Springs. They also have a Hollywood Walk of Fame kind of stuff. Are any of these candy? Chocolate rocks! Chocolate rocks everywhere!
Are you supposed to hang
Here's
this on
the
the
chick with the booty.
There's a chick with the big old booty.
Booty, look at that booty.
Oh, baby, you can get this to hang on your necklace.
Ooh la la. I wonder what ooh la la is. Do you think it's a massage place?
Yes. Ooh la la. Sounds like a dirty word.
Oh, never mind. Maybe it's one of. Is it a sex store?
Yes, massage.
Let your imagination run wild. Ooh la la.
All right, so for dinner, we went back to Ontario and ate at Pelicana Chicken. Cheers. Not cold enough yet. So here's the environment. It was a really cool, cozy place. Really small, but the menu was cool. We got some onion rings. Great, tasty, crispy. But yeah, they were pretty big. I love onion rings. And then next, this is my first time having cheese balls. So this was basically just mozzarella cheese inside of like a fried dough. And it was yummy. I think the dough was partially mochi. And then here were the rice cakes and fish cakes. And they were meh. So here's the rest of the chicken. We got cheeseling chicken, which I love. And we got secret spicy sauce and the original. So yeah, Pelicana chicken, check it out.